Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable TPM on HP Compaq 250. TPM is Trusted Platform Module and it is, for example, required to install Windows 11. And in order to disable or enable it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there is a video on our channel on how to do it. And once that's done, you can just go to the security tab using arrows, and now you'll see the TPM device and TPM state. And TPM device and TPM state are kind of different, because when you change the TPM device, by clicking on enter, you can set it to available or hidden. If it's set to available, then your operating system will see it, and if it's hidden, then it will just work like it's non-existent. So that's how it works. And when it's set to available, then you can change the TPM state, and you can set it to either enabled or disabled. So if it's available and disabled, it will be different than hidden, because if it's disabled, then it will be shown in the system that it exists, but it's just disabled. So that's how you change it, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.